Republican line. Good morning.
Good morning. My question, Mr. Barnett, if you can expound on it, is the status of the children of citizens born abroad, because John McCain, Mitt Romney, both their parents were American citizens. You said the children of military born abroad are U.S. citizens, but are they natural born? And one case being, what about the American soldiers who had fathered children while in Vietnam? Are those children may be citizens of the U.S., but are they natural born? So can you explain that? Thank you.
Thank you, Pat.
Yeah, under the existing rules, even under the rules of Parliament, the citizens, the children, the offspring of American citizens who are overseas are American citizens themselves, and they are natural-born American citizens. The caller was correct. There's a difference between just saying, are you a citizen, and are you a natural-born citizen? And under the existing concept of blood, as opposed to place or soil, and under the statutes that regulate what those concepts mean and how they apply, yes, if you're traveling overseas, notwithstanding the fact that Senator McCain's parents were stationed overseas, he was born to them, and that made him both a citizen of the United States as well as a natural-born citizen. And the concept of natural-born citizen really only matters with respect to eligibility for president. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have any other legal effect on any other thing. And that's the reason why it's seldom litigated. It's the reason why people don't think deeply about it, because it just affects this thing at the margin. This one thing, can you run for president? And so few people ever do run for president that we just don't have much opportunity to consider it.
And based on some of these questions, I know you touched on this earlier, but a caller or viewer with this tweet, shouldn't there be a way to resolve this before any vote so that the voters could not be thwarted after the fact?
Well, I do think that, for example, if a Secretary of State, let's say a Democratic Secretary of State, decided to deny Ted Cruz's ballot access, then his campaign would soon challenge that, and there would be a court determination, would probably be a lower court determination, that would either accept or dismiss that challenge. I mean, right now there's a challenge to Marco Rubio's status in Florida. I think there are many reasons why that challenger does not have standing to challenge it. But if a Secretary of State acted, that Secretary of State would be challenged, and then there would be.
You're talking about Congressman Grayson in Florida.
I don't know. That wasn't the person I thought filed that suit, but I don't really know. I know who filed the suit. I did read the complaint, but I don't know who filed the suit.
It was a congressman from South Florida, and I'll just make sure we have that right. Alan Grayson.
He filed the suit?
Democrat Alan Grayson.
Well, anyway, there's been a motion to dismiss, and I predict that suit will be